es de nuestro cuerpo físico.
Welcome to this guided meditation. My name is Odona.gregori, and with this meditation, you will learn how to transform your thoughts and recover your well-being. Getting ready for a relaxed sleep. Restoring sleep. You will learn how to transform thoughts that harm your well-being, keeping you blocked and with a feeling of heavy density, stress, or with anxiety from your day. You will get your heart in coherence with your mind, and you will feel calm, relaxed, and the quietness of your inner space with a peaceful mind, so you can rest and sleep to restore and get energy again. Allow your attention to focus on you. Find a comfortable place to relax and bring your attention from the outer world to your inner self. Just as you listen my voice, find the space between these words, the inner space between your thoughts, the space in you, yourself, in your heart area, your heart energy center, your core. Now, you are able to start to connect with. Feel your energy in this space, the center of your love, the heart of your life, the door to connect with your soul, your spirit. Focus on the truth of love in you as a divine power. You are connecting with its energy, beginning to perceive its energy. Experience divine light and angelic energy coming into you, around you. Inhale the light, and as you exhale, relax more and more. You can put your hands over your heart to connect and feel more this inner space in you. Its energy running through your body from the head to your toes, relaxing the parts of your body, muscles that need to relax with every breath you take. You hear my voice and you feel lighter and lighter, more and more relaxed, letting go any stress or anxiety in your body with every exhalation you make, and with every inhalation you get more deeply relaxed. Breathe in, fill your lungs with air, bring it down to your abdomen, and exhale, and let yourself fall lighter and lighter, becoming more present, more aware, here and now, to your inner space, to yourself, to your sacred inner self. Feel the love and the angelic energy illuminating you from your heart outwards to your aura. Now imagine a platform of golden light and angelic energy beneath you, creating a base for you to lift you up. Now, feel the golden angelic energy around you, its angelic frequency, as your body relaxes more and more, surrounded by that positive golden light of height, frequency and vibration. Breathe in again and feel lighter and lighter. Feel your body fully connected to the energy, slightly ascending. And connected from your heart center with this ascending light platform, golden white light of angelic divine energy. Feel how it tunes into your energy, how it enters you, shining on you, within you. Feel it through your feet, your knees, going up your legs, your thighs, vibrating like a tinkling golden light of healing warmth, moving up your hips towards your abdomen and back, entering through your chest, lighting up your heart, healing the wounds in your heart. Warm golden light energy now on your shoulders, neck, in your head, through your mind, making the light reach above you, transforming you, illuminating your thoughts, you with golden light, empowering, tuning into it, vibrating with your frequency in it. Feel it jingle. You can see shimmering golden highlights in warmth, harmony, compassion, love, vibrant angelic energy in you and around you. Now, move your attention to your second chakra. This is your center of fear, the center of nervousness and anxiety. Your second chakra is the part of you that goes to bed every night having stored all the stress, fear, anger that you carry with you for the events of the day. So, call on Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel to send you their light and energy to clear and remove all those toxic feelings from your system. Before you go to sleep, visualize with each breath how the brightening, cleansing light of the archangels enters on your body. Through the crown of the head, and you exhale with every breath a black mist that helps you cleanse and return to your harmony, to your own balance, to your natural state of golden white light. Your second center supports every activity you've dealt with today, every relationship you've had, every encounter you've had in terms of sexuality, money, and creativity. Do you carry with you any negativity that was generated in your relationships today? With your finances? With your work? With something you are trying to create? Did anyone scare you today? Was your fear of survival activated today? Feel those fears and confront them. Where your fear of change lives, ask yourself, are you afraid of change? If so, why? Why are you scared of change? Transformation. Let go of the blockages to change. Let go of fears. Change with a prayer of confidence and security. Repeat to yourself, I am out of your way. Pray to God, to the source, to the cosmic universal energy. Connect with the divine force and repeat yourself, come into my life, change what I need to change because I'm here to serve. I trust the changes. I may fear the changes, but I trust them. Now focus your attention on the positive side. Your second energy center is your body's power point, where you have shared value with the people you love and enjoy. Bless them. Bless them now for being there for you, for supporting you, for helping you on this day of your life. Take a moment to celebrate your own creativity today, your ideas. The ideas that you have brought to Earth on this day that were never here before. Bless your own creativity, for no one has brought the same gifts that you have brought to Earth today.